In this topic, we are going to take a look at SAP HANA Live and SAP HANA Rapid Deployment Solutions. So, what is SAP HANA Live? It's nothing but a set of virtual data models built on the SAP Business Suite application data. It also provides you a set of HTML applications which you can use right out of the back. So, if you take a look at the different virtual data models, these have been extensively built on all the SAP Business Suite applications. For example, FI, SD, CRM, GRC, and so on. You can use these views from any one of these or all of these different business suite applications, and you can immediately put them to use. The procedure to get these virtual data models is you have to go to Service Marketplace and you have to download them separately. So for each different area, for example, for SAP ERP, there's a package called SAP HANA Live for ERP, and then there is SAP HANA Live for policy management and CRM and so on. So these are different downloadable packages which comes in an extension of .tgz, which you have to then import as a delivery unit into your SAP HANA. So what are the advantages of SAP HANA Live? So first of all, they give you the benefit of using these views immediately. So they all are built on calculation views, which are very efficient, and most of them are built as graphical calculation views. So it's very easy to reuse them. Now, to split them a little bit into detail, the virtual data model consists of three different kinds of views. One is called the query views. So these query views are designed for direct consumption by any analytical application. For example, you can build your own HTML5 application and you can use these queries in the background, or you can use any of the applications or business objects BI tools, like for example Web Intelligence, to use these queries. We have something called the reusable views. So these form the core of the virtual data model. They expose your underlying business suite data in a well-structured and consistent format. So these are designed in a way that you have to use these views in your own views. So for example, you could probably create a COPA scenario where you can use fundamental views provided by the virtual data model, and then you can extend it to satisfy your own requirements. Another type of views is called as private views. These are views which contain certain form of SQL transformations, and they can be thought of something like a subroutine. So these private views are used internally in the reusable views. So they are not meant for direct consumption. That's a little bit about virtual data model, and this is what is called as SAP HANA Live. Now let's see how this is used in the rapid deployment solution. Now, rapid deployment solutions are a package created by the SAP folks to reduce the turnaround time of your project and to increase the success ratio of your project. The rapid deployment solutions come with a scope and a defined timeline and a defined budget. So it's very good for system integrators and other consulting firms to help clients to get up to speed in a defined and predictable timeline. SAP provides pre-built integration. They provide the pre-configured content, which is the HANA Live, which is the virtual data model which we just discussed. And they give you detailed documentation regarding the configuration, the best practices, and so on. And they also give you a set of reports which can be used out of the box. So this gives the customer a comfort zone to get up to speed and get up and running. But again, these are quite generic, so you have to be able to define them and you have to be able to use them to satisfy your own business requirement. Couple of rapid deployment solutions for HANA available are BW on HANA, Suite on HANA, Analytics on HANA, and PNC on Planning and Consolidation on HANA. So this is just a subset of the rapid deployment solutions which SAP provides. You can go to Service Marketplace and find out for yourself.